Hi everyone, this is Eric Ringer for MDF2 term 1306 and this is my week 2 or project 2 reflection video. So let's get right into the questions. What did I do for my project? So this week we had to, here's my Xcode. I made some, I used the same app icons as I did last week in my launch images. But this week we were again working with Twitter, and so I had to create a view controller, or the first view that had a collection view that has all my Twitter friends, and then I created a custom collection view cell that would hold their user image and the label, which would have their screen name. And then I created a custom object or an NS object to store the images and the usernames. And then I made when you click on the actual image, a detailed image that will display their user image and then their screen name. So let's just go over the code a little bit. So I created a UI nib. I gave it a name of custom cell. I'm telling it from the custom collection view cell to get the collection view, and then I created a function called get friends with images, which accesses the account store. It gets it from Twitter, or before it does that, it asks if the user grants access. If the user grants access, then it's gonna. I created a string that gets my Twitter friends, which a count of 20, because that's all we're supposed to display is 20. So, and then it does a request, or it asks for the request, and then it performs a request. And I created a NS dictionary to tell it to synchronize, and then if there's an error, a JSON error, then it will reload the page. And I created my mutable array for user storage, and then it's going to get the profile image and the screen name. So, and then this is for my error. If there's no connection, it's going to run this function error alert, or if the user doesn't grant access, it will run this function of non-granted access alert. So here's my collection view. I'm telling it to get the users and display them in the kind of like how you do with the table view. And then I created a refresh data cell function that gets the username and the screen names from my custom object. And then I'm just returning 1, and then I kind of made the boxes or the cells bigger to 125, because for some reason when I had it at 100 it showed 3 lines, so when I did 125 I was able to get the 2 lines. And then this tells it when they click on the collection view on one of the boxes that it will go to the detail view. And then also I added, which wasn't required, that you could still post. So if you wanted to post to Twitter, you could. And then here are my error alert functions. So this one, if there's no connection, it'll tell you unable to connect to Twitter, please try again later. Or if you didn't add a Twitter account, please add your Twitter account to your device. Okay, let's run the code so you can kind of see what the app looks like. So here it is, my Twitter friends. This is the button that if you wanted to post a image or a tweet, sorry, you'd be able to do that. So even though it wasn't required, I still added it. We did it last week, so you could post a tweet. So here's my collection view of Twitter friends that I have. So here's 20 of my friends, and then I can click on any of them and it will get a detailed view with a bigger image and their screen name. So I did that for all of them, as you can see. Let's see. There's Khan Academy, Treehouse, which is very helpful. If you're not a member, I would recommend it. And there's that. So yeah, you can click on any of these and it will display. So what could I have done better? I think I could have made it where this was, I don't know, maybe design this a little bit better, and then maybe made this part detail page designs wise better. Let's see, we can also, if I rotate it left, it automatically does this. So it changes. So put it back, rotate right, and then it goes back. So that's kind of cool. This week was pretty straightforward. I mean, code-wise, I think I did everything requirement-wise pretty well. I just think, design-wise, I probably could have made it better. But this week was a little challenging, but I was able to overcome the challenges and get everything working correctly. So yeah, so that's my project for this week. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Thank you.